Yo, what is up, guys? So today it's Landon here. I'm back. I'm fishing the same loaded pond that I fished about a week ago today. And I'm just going to be throwing a bunch of baits today, seeing what I can catch. Oh, a big bass took off the bank. Let's get to fishing. Yo, I was just trying to fish, bro. Yo, guys. So the rain's starting to slow down. I'm going to tie on a whopper plopper. See what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. I'm under this nice tree. I don't know, if the video ends here, it means the rain didn't stop and my mom had to pick me up, but as of right now, I'm just gonna go fish, probably. I don't know, we'll see. All right, guys, 5 minutes later, there's now a rainbow. The sun's coming back out. Look at that. This side is dark. Right here, bang, there's a ton of light. So, I'm just gonna keep fishing. All right, I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, there's like a 4 or 5 pound bass, both a male and a female on a bed. And I see them like going at bluegill and stuff that are going too close. So I'm gonna catch a bluegill, put it on a hook, and drop it right under their bed, and hopefully we'll catch one. All right, guys, so I don't know how, but I was fishing for a bluegill and I caught a bass. So I guess we'll just keep fishing for bluegill and get this guy back. Bro, again. Oh, I just laid it on a rock. Bro, come here. Do you want to go back in the water? Dude, that was a big bass. Oh my God, I got a bluegill. All right, I think I'm just gonna let him swim and leave the rod here, actually. So, just put him out there and put the rod down. But you never had you. My life changed so fast, but you never. But you never had you. Oh, fuck yeah, tank. No, he's swimming towards me. Oh my God. That's a 3. That's a 3. Oh, that's a tank. Oh my God. Holy. Dude, that's a 4 or 5. Yo, look at that. Guys, I'm not joking. I just had a flipping like 7-pound bass on the bluegill. He was right at the bank, and the hook popped, and he took the bluegill. It was like easily PB, 7+ pound bass. It was insane. Popped. He ran all the way across the pond. I was almost spooled because I wasn't near my rod. Oh my god, I'm catching another bluegill, bro.